Hello and welcome back. Today I want to bring you the latest market update for the Ayrlawn community in Bethesda, Maryland. And as the days and the weeks and the months go on, I'm going to be bringing you a number of market updates for specific neighborhoods in the DMV area. Well, hello, my name is Natalie Dean, and I am your trusted real estate advisor here in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Let's dive in because I have a lot of information to share with you. In our latest data, we're seeing that the Ayrlawn community is a very active market with only 1.4 months worth of supply of inventory. So what this means is that we have more buyers than there are homes available. And normally we look at that as a seller's market, but really it's a market that's extremely competitive for both buyers and sellers because as homes come on the market, they fly off the market. And we're being able to see that because over the last 12 months, the month supply of inventory has decreased to about 43%, just shy of 43%. And it really highlights the high demand for homes in the Ayrlawn community. The list of sold price percentage, it's holding strong at 97.2%. And so this is an indicator for sellers that they're able to command a top dollar for their home. And the median days on market is just about 22 days. So it's a clear sign that there's a high demand for the homes here in Ayrlawn. Finally, our median sold price is at $1.2 million. And that really showcases the desirability and really the value of the homes that are found in the area. But let's get into the style of homes that you can find in Ayrlawn. It's known for its charming colonial style homes, many of which feature brick exteriors and extremely spacious interiors. You'll also find a variety of contemporary and craftsman style homes, each with a unique architectural detail, and that really adds to the charm of the communities. But in these older homes, all of this charm abounds, but also individuals have done a number of renovations. And these renovations really include updated kitchens, modern appliances, open floor plans, and finished basements that allow for extra living space. Perhaps someone has an au pair, perhaps someone wants additional entertainment space. They want additional rooms for individuals to be able to come and stay. So for guests, extended stay. So all of this allows for that because individuals have now renovated these basements. So these updates really is a blend of classic charm with older homes that have the convenience of modern living. But what about the newer constructed homes in Ayrlawn? Typically, these feature modern designs with clean lines and open concept layouts. We can find key features like energy efficient systems, smart home technology, luxurious master suites with spa-like bathrooms. For instance, Mid-Atlantic Builders has homes that they're building that offer spacious homes, their state-of-the-art amenities, high-end appliances, smart home integrations, and expansive living areas in these homes. So those are the type of things that we can find in the newer homes. But the average age of a home in the community is about 25 years old, and the average square footage of homes here is about 3,800 square feet. So they're pretty expansive. And that really offers plenty of space for families of all sizes, whether they be blended families that are, they're bringing on multi-generational, or homes where families are growing. So it really is something for everyone. But one of the other amenities that you'll find in Ayrlawn is the abundance of green spaces and parks. Popular spaces like Ayrlawn Park and Bradley Hills Park, perfect for outdoor activities and family outings. And the community also offers, is served by excellent schools like Ayrlawn Elementary School, Bethesda Chevy Chase High School, making it highly sought after for families. And again, that is a key element for sellers. So what else can you find there? There are some exciting developments that are happening in and around the Ayrlawn community. One of them is a significant project, the new luxury townhomes at West Bard Square by EYA. These townhomes are offering features like spacious open main level living, eco-friendly electrical designs, optional elevators, rooftop terraces, and the development is complemented with mixed use new shops, restaurants, landscape of open green spaces, really making it an extremely desirable place to live. We also have some upcoming infrastructure projects in the area, like the road improvements that are coming to Green Tree Road, the enhancements to public transportation services, really because, and this is so important because most of our individuals that are moving to the Ayrlawn community and surrounding communities, they are commuters. They have business that they're doing in downtown DC, business in surrounding areas in the DMV area, maybe need to get over to Arlington very quickly. And so this commuting infrastructure that's being enhanced really makes it for an easier commute for these residents. And so the developments not only enhance the quality of life, but they also increase your property value, making it now an excellent time to think about listing your home. But really, whether you're a buyer or you're a seller, now is the time to really make your move on Ayrlawn. Because if you're a buyer, with the low inventory, you want to make sure that you are looking at the properties and keeping a pulse on the properties so that you can strategically make an offer on a property. And if you're a seller, you want to be able to take advantage of the growing equity within the home. And even as a buyer, recognizing with all the infrastructure and development that is coming in, you're buying at one price, but you're immediately building equity within your property. So really, the Ayrlawn community is ripe for opportunities. So if you're thinking of buying or you are a seller in Ayrlawn, I'm here to help. Reach out to me for expert guidance and personalized service. Let's look at your properties specifically and look at what features do you have to offer, or perhaps what enhancements can be made to the property to ensure that you get top dollar for your home. And also the projections of how quickly you'll need to be able to secure your next property and what we need to do to ensure that it's an easy transition. So keep your eyes and your ears peeled to the channel because I want to see you in our next market update. Natalie Dean, Taylor Properties, serving the Maryland, DC, and Virginia area. Shoot me a text, drop me an email, shoot me a phone call. I'm here to help.